up some batteries that I had from yesterday. I didn't quite go through them all. I'm having issues with my DVR on my Fat Shark. They don't seem to be like recording. And when I try to record and hit the buttons, it makes some weird fuzzy lines going across my picture. So that's not too cool. I found my launch platform that I left out here, last weekend. And it was still here in the field, but it looked like an animal had pissed on it. So gross. Let's see here. Okay, let's plug this switch in. Let me see if I can get this to do anything. Battery 15%. It's recording. It worked. Holy shit. Alright, let's see if we can do this bitch. Okay. Well, that wasn't good. It just flew out. Have a good day, y'all.